Hi all, my name is Shubham Kumar and today from this video we will learn how to create indexes into SQL Server table. So first of all, open the SSMS, basically SQL Server Management Studio. Connect with your server, open the database, choose any database. Okay, open the, suppose I'm choosing the BlogDB. Open the table, suppose student master, and just check the data. Is it available? Yeah, is it available? So I'm gonna add the indexes. So as you can see, this is the table. The first column is PK student ID. The clustered index is already inserted over here as soon as I have created it as a primary key. So now I'm adding a non-cluster index onto the name field. So just right click and add index. So basically there are three type of indexes in SQL. One is foreign key, second is unique, third is index one. So whenever two different table are connected to a foreign key, and on that case we are adding a index over there. Secondly, for unique cases, suppose over here I want that the name must be unique, student name must be unique. Actually it is not feasible solution, but I'm choosing something like this. Okay, so first of all just add it from here, a new key, and default one is index one. So the index one is basically used for just fetching the data or using into the filtration one. Whenever we adding an index, a virtual table is created with B tree architecture and that hold the rows of that. So just add the rows. Default one is the default column is PK student ID. So just add into name. You can add multiple columns the same index. So the combination of name and f name hold the index. Okay, so just add it and close it and save it. So you can check it from here. As soon as we type the select or sp underscore help is a predefined stored procedure that give you the definition of this table. Okay, so okay directly pass the name of the table, it will give all the detail. Okay, so you can check, one is the in index name, one is the primary key index, and secondary is non-clustered. Okay, index that is on fname and name. Non-cluster index located on primary key. So basically it hold the address of the primary key. Primary key mean to say, as I already told you, the first index is clustered one, which is already added into a table as soon as I have added into the as soon as I added the primary key. So my index is just pointing to the primary key. Okay, not holding any other data, only the logical data is hold into the B tree architecture. Okay, so that's all from this uh, video. So please like it and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.